Starting from your main D2L page, select Get Ryerson Ready. Select Content. Click on Math Ready under the table of contents. Under Math Ready, select the course that you are enrolled in. In this tutorial, we will be looking at self-directed learning, math specific to the Faculty of Arts. On the right-hand side, you can view general information about the course. This includes login information for BitBlide. Follow the instructions on the BitBlide account setup PDF to set up your BitBlide account and access interactive practices, quizzes, and tests. Scroll down to find this link. Please note that the title of the link may be different depending on your course. Select Start or Resume Course to access the website. Here you can access general information about the course, including an overview, content information about how to win a prize, and where to go if you need help. In the Content Information section, you can find Content Access, Content to be Covered, BitBlide Practice, and information about quiz and test links. By scrolling down, you can also view a table of contents depending on the course that you are in. The prizes that are offered include an Amazon gift card or an iPad. To earn an Amazon gift card, students must attend live lectures and labs where they will receive an event badge and then be entered in a draw. To win an iPad, students must score 75% or above on a module test. Once they have done so, they will receive a test badge and then be entered in a draw. Once a student has received a badge, it must be activated for them to be entered in the draw. This can be done by accessing the following section, selecting the corresponding badge, and entering the code. Students can also win an iPad by submitting an essay on their experience with online math learning during the pandemic. For full details, please click on the Math Essay Contest guidelines. Students can participate in both the module test and the essay writing contest.